Can you hear me, everyone?
Yeah.
You order.
Apart from me, you are ek do teen beside me. How are you all?
Yeah, good.
Fine. Good.
What about you?
I am also good. Thanks for asking.
How is it going?
Yes.
Everything going good. What about you all?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm on the mood.
as usual. Going good.
Today is Sunday, no? So we are just enjoying here.
Okay. Then I thought today is Monday, but you told today is Sunday, then definitely today is Sunday.
Okay, so we are enjoying.
How did you invest? How did you spend your time on Sunday?
Mm, Actually, we have some works to do on Sunday, no? As usual, we will get prepare ourselves to run this upcoming week, okay? For example, washing the clothes or ironing, those things we have to finish, no? So we are actually busy only. I didn't get busy this week.
If I
Now only I got little.
Okay, if I get Sunday, then I want to sleep long time.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think
Then you are
about
getting someone
anything.
to help. If you are getting someone to help you, then it's no issue.
Yeah, I don't want to think about anything, and I think only sleep and food, tasty food, delicious food.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
everyone likes coffee, tea in the evening, or
Hmm.
you people don't like.
Just now I had 10 minutes before, okay? Before your entry I had, okay? Tea.
Okay, and other sugar and Naga Nagabhara or what is
Nagavarna.
okay. Do you people like tea or coffee in the evening?
No, I
Yes.
drink milk.
I haven't take. I'll take after a while.
Okay. Then before entering this group, what kind of topic are you talking each other?
About mindfulness
We are
and
speaking about morning topics. Yeah, what was your morning topic? We just shifted, no?
Morning, what did you do?
Morning
Huh?
he was speaking a topic about the difference between love and affection, like that. Something he was speaking in the voice room.
Okay.
So we are just continuing the same thing.
Love and
I don't know.
affection both are different, right?
Um,
do
yeah.
do you want to tell about affection is a every we should never affection with everyone, right? We cannot love also everyone. If we don't know
Oh,
someone and we never talk with that person and we never evaluate their attitude, behavior and mode of talking, then we cannot make them affection and love with that person.
okay.
Yeah.
You are sure about it.
Of course, definitely. How can you love and affection someone? Because it is not possible. Apart from family member, obviously we make affection and love with family members, right?
Mm. Yes.
But we cannot affection and love other people.
Mm.
We cannot do
Oh,
it,
yeah.
right?
Yes. Mm.
Because that
You
is a
can say.
different. Because if you know someone long time and you
Mm.
like his or her attitude and behavior, then definitely maybe slowly gradually we love it or we make him or her affection, right?
Oh, okay. Correct.
Otherwise we never think about affection or love. We cannot do it everyone. It is my
Mm.
personal opinion. I never think about
Oh,
it. If you
okay.
don't know someone, how can you love and affection that person, right?
Correct.
Yeah,
Then,
everyone
how did you enjoy this day?
pardon.
Because they are. Okay. No, no. This evening, just they are just passing away. Because they both are speaking for more than 1 hour. We are about to leave, okay? We are about to disconnect. By the
Okay.
time you came, no? So they
Oh,
just,
okay. If you want to go, then it's okay.
no, I am not telling about me. Okay. I
Okay.
am telling about, yeah. Because I joined little late, but they are
Okay.
speaking from the beginning.
Okay, okay. They initiated group call and they spoke each other. After long time, you
Ah,
joined here and
yeah, yeah. But I am also here for 1 hour. I am also here for 1 hour.
okay. You also here for 1 hour. Okay. That is
But
good because
they,
hmm, hmm.
mm,
We invest our time with language also and we interact with people also, right? That is a good for
mm,
us. At least we get chance to interact with them, we know about that person, and we get a so many topic also, and we learn from
correct.
also that person. Sometime what happen, if we talk with any offline people, then we cannot
Mm,
talk those kind of topic, right?
definitely.
On the roadside or any kind of home,
Mm,
we cannot ask any kind of topic or anything. We just ask how
mm,
it's going on life, how their kids study, what they are doing
mm.
in their life. That's
Natural,
it.
natural things, okay?
Natural
Natural
things,
things.
right? But if we are language learner, we connect each other here, then definitely first of all we have motto to enhance our spoken part. Second thing, if we interact with someone, good speaker, then we take
Mm,
topic to discuss with that person, right?
definitely.
And
Mm,
we build our confidence also. Without practice, we never build our confidence. And
oh,
practice lead our confidence. If you never talk with different mentality people, how you build your confidence? How you cultivate your confidence,
mm,
right?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
That's why. Then
Then,
what type
uh, what
did
time?
welcome Karthik?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. Did you take it
Can you hear
notice?
me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. I can. I can.
I give my loudspeaker also. Hello Karthik, how are you?
Good. What about you?
I'm also good. Thanks for asking. How did you
Okay.
spend your time today? Sunday time, tell.
Today, yeah, it's a sometime on HT, some time for study.
Okay, you have a schedule, right? What time you come to HT, what time you use HT, and what time you study.
No, nowadays I am not following any schedule.
Okay, then right now you are bindas.
Oh,
Yeah, welcome Priya.
Hello.
hey Priya,
Yeah,
Hello, Karthik.
what you learned today in Lilith's VR?
Hey, just we are learning basic English, okay? I just went to Suma. Just like that, I went.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
we are learning how to interact with people, unknown people, stranger, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
We know how to interact with known people, relative, friends, but we don't know how
Mm.
to interact with stranger, unknown, how to greet them,
Yeah, that was
how to
correct.
talk
Yeah,
with
yeah.
them. Then at
Mm-hmm.
least we should learn from here, right?
Yes. Yes, correct.
Yeah, otherwise, if in offline, if we meet any stranger or unknown people, we don't want to talk with that person. We don't ask them because we don't believe that person. At least we get chance to interact with unknown people, stranger through online free
Okay,
platform.
we'll get some chances.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ram is